To replace the combustion fan, turn off, let cool, and unplug your unit from the electrical outlet. Then proceed by removing the left side panel and locating the combustion fan. Disconnect the electrical leads and green ground wire coming from the fan, as well as the sensor switch attached to it. Remove the fasteners that secure the fan housing to the unit. Disconnect the exhaust assembly from the pellet vent pipe, and slowly remove the combustion fan and collar. Then, bring the combustion fan to a work area. Scrape and remove the existing gasket from the blower, and remove the 4 self-tapping screws and the silicone holding the fan housing to the exhaust port. Remove the old fan and mount the replacement fan onto the exhaust port, and silicone the seams using high-temperature RTV silicone. Reinstall the old sensor switch on the new fan housing, and reinstall the new fan assembly with the new gasket material in the reverse order it was removed. Lastly, reconnect the fan and sensor leads and reattach the left side panel. Always refer to the product manual that came with your replacement part for complete details on this procedure. If you have any additional questions, contact PelPro Consumer Care.